Today, on the workbench, we're continuing our Tamiya TT-01 full kit build. So we are gonna pick up our Tamiya TT-01 kit build. In the last video, we completed up to step 17. So we're gonna start with step 18 in this video. I'll put a link up there to the video that we did previously. We did a lot on the car. We did the whole front end, we did the whole back end up until it's time to do the shocks. So it's the friction dampers. For those of you that are just joining this build, this car is a stock Tamiya TT-01. We are building a full kit build like we've done before with our TT-02. That's up there, which has gotten some new parts and needs to be adjusted, and we'll get to that. And I do thank all of you that have commented and given me suggestions. I've taken it all under advisement, and we will have an update on that car very, very soon. Got some new parts, working on the gear mesh, so I'm pretty sure that is going to be better than ever, that brushless car. But this car is amazing. So this is a full kit build on a Tamiya TT-01. We're about halfway through the build right now. It's pretty simple, but it's going well. Fully stock, no hop-ups. Pretty much not what I normally do, but no hop-ups on this. It's gonna be exciting. So like I said a second ago, we are up to step 18 where we start the friction dampers. No oil here, so these are just straight up friction shocks. And that's where we are. Today I'd like to try and get through most of the rest of the build. I think there's only maybe another 18 to 20 steps. So let's have at it. We're gonna dive right in. Oh, one thing before you get in, I did locate my amazing Tamiya ratcheting screwdriver, so we will be using that for the rest of the build. I did a review of this. I do love this screwdriver. I'll put a link to that review right there. But for this episode, we will be using this amazing screwdriver for the rest of the build. So without further ado, I've talked enough. Let us dive right in and pick up this build with step 18. So there we have it, a TT-01. This thing looks really cool. I love the green wheels. Everything is moving freely. Don't really seem to have any binding at all. Everything seems to be moving nice and easy. Everything's spinning. I know a few people online asked about binding, but there doesn't seem to be any binding at all so far. I mean, I haven't run it yet. It needs a battery. I've got to charge it. But overall, this thing is a really nice car. I mean, you know, friction dampers, not oil filled. This is a stock kit from Tamiya. It doesn't have anything special, no hop-ups. All right, so it bounces. Yeah, you know, what are you gonna do? But this is a really cool kit. So I'm gonna call it a day for there. That is the end of this video. As always, thank you so much for watching. We've got a few more things to do. We've got to paint the body. We've got to charge up the battery. We've got to test the electronics. That'll be our next video. I think in our next video, we will mask out the body, put the window masks on, mask out the design. It's just a simple white and green design to match these amazing wheels. I bought the right paint to do it. We'll put all the stickers on, and then we'll take this guy for its inaugural run. Please, if you like what I'm doing, like these videos, please subscribe. Apparently I have not been telling anyone to ring the bell. That's an important thing, it seems. I've been told I need to let everyone know to ring that bell and be notified when I post new videos. I know it's been a little slow. I'm trying to do a video a week. It's been about a month. I had a lot of stuff going on in my life. I switched jobs, lots of things, but I'm back trying to keep to the schedule, maybe once a week, every other week, but definitely more videos coming out soon. We've got to fix that car. We've got a couple brushless conversions going. Got a lot of parts on our mini crawler that we got to do. But in the meantime, the next video we're going to do is taking this Tamiya TT-01, finish off the body, and take it out to race. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.